I Spit on Your Grave. Released 1978, directed by More 7 of 45 the most controversial movies of all time, 2 of 85 great movies about furious women out for revenge, 15 of 21 20 most essential female-led horror films. Invasion of the Body Snatchers. Released 1978, directed by Philip Kaufman. More Invasion of the Body Snatchers, 37 of 317 the greatest disaster movies of all time, 30 of 62 the best movies where the bad guy wins. Heaven Can Wait. Heaven Can Wait. Halloween. Halloween. Superman. Released 1978, directed by Richard Donner.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.